Neighbourhood Heights is an exciting new premier residential development situated in one of Birmingham's most sought-after areas. With 81 one and two bedroom apartments, this development is set to offer an exceptional quality of living for residents and will be a superb addition to this thriving city. MSD has recently overseen the completion of the demolition phase, which is set to wrap up soon. There will then be a period of approximately 3 months of detailed design work for foundations, frame and floors, as these elements of the building are prefabricated off-site. Mobilisation for piling and groundworks is scheduled for Q1 2024. Materials will then begin to be shipped to the UK in Q2 2024.